Good morning. This video is showing you how to navigate the Solve Me Mobiles site. I've linked it in the Google Classroom assignment. My hope for you is that today you will do at least 10 of these mobiles. Now, on the main site you get to, you can make an account if you want. You can log in, create an account, but I'm just going to be doing this as a guest. Click play. Also, I guess as you see there, you can also build. I'm not as worried about that for today, but you can build a mobile. That's quite a fun thing to do. You just make a mobile that balances itself out. Let's see. Well, anyhow, you can try putzing around on there and figuring out how that works. I'm most concerned about the play right now. Just to show you, number one, all that it wants you to do is that between the two of them, they weigh 10. One circle and one triangle, they're both balancing out at 10. So we know that both of them are 5. And we could say that, and then you hit submit, and it'll give you a nice little star and move you on to the next one. So then on this one, we don't know what they are in total, but we do know that the heart is equal to 7. It's wondering what is the rectangle or diamond equal to? Well, it's equal to 7 also. Submit. Boom, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to go back to the menu just to show you another example of a slightly more complex one. This is puzzle number 12. All we know is that in total, this weighs 20. So this side plus this side together is 20. We also know that the circle is worth 3, and there are 2 circles here and 1 circle here. We don't know what this rhombus is equal to. We also don't know what this upside down triangle is equal to. So that's what we have to figure out. Now, I know that this circle is equal to 3. And I know that these together equal 20. So each side has to be half of 20. So I know this side must weigh 10. And this side must weigh 10. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. So that one is 7. Nice. Now I just have to figure out this orange shape. I called it a rhombus, perhaps yeah, that's a good way. It's a type of quadrilateral which does not have parallel lines on the side, so it's not a parallelogram. I guess it's a rhombus. Anyhow, we know that these 4 shapes must equal 10 in total to balance with this side. So let's see. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So these two together must equal 4. So to get 4, I have to split it in half. So 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 is 10. And 3 plus 7 is 10. So this must be 2 and 7. And let's submit. Oh, beautiful. Now, one more trick just to show you before I sign out of here is, let's go on 14. Oh, interesting. I know that this is 4 and this is 5, but I don't know what these are. Now, I think there's a way of dragging. Oh, I'll have to do this on a different one. Sorry, I'll have to do this on one that has slightly more. Yeah, here we go. So on one that's more complicated like this, where I know that 48 is the total, but that this side is split up among 2, I'm able to drag this elsewhere and make an equation that shows me that 3 blue rhombuses equals 2 circles, and I can make a big, more complicated equation that shows that 2 of these teardrops, which equal 12, are equal to 3 of these plus 2 of these. And you're able to write this in equation form also. I like it in the balance beam personally, but you can do it either way. Anyhow, as I just showed you, there was this Explorer tab, and I think there are 40 questions on here you can go through. 42. Oh, okay, more. There's 60 on the Explorer. Then the Puzzler has more also that you can flip through. And then the Master. These are actually quite tricky. They're very interesting, but quite tricky. I worked on a few of these for a while last year, and I think I completed them all, but some of them really took me a lot of work. So if you were to try these Master ones, you might find them quite interesting or quite difficult. Anyhow, I would start out on the Explorer anyways and do at least 10 there as a start. And then as you see, there also are these ones that have been made by community members. Some of these look absurdly complicated, but you can certainly try them if you'd like to. And then you can make puzzles and save them, right? So that's this site. I'd like you to try at least 10 of them, but feel free to go totally wild. I think it's a very neat site. And truthfully, in terms of equations, algebraic thinking, this is absolutely excellent practice. If you have a day where you need work to do, go wild on these Solve Me mobiles, and I will be pleased as punch. Okay, thanks, guys. Have a good rest of your day. I'll have this posted early Wednesday morning.